Dude, I'm going to show you how to create a link to your most recent newsletter on your website, since I'm going to be on a break for a little bit and I might not be able to do it right away for you. So I'm talking about this page, your newsletter page, and updating these links right in here to include your most recent newsletter. So first thing I recommend doing is logging in to your website in one tab, and then in another tab, logging into Constant Contact. So first, you log into your website, and then we're going to get to the page we're going to update, and you're going to find it by going to Pages. You can just click on Pages or All Pages. My internet is a little bit slow right now. Okay, and then you're going to find your newsletter page, and if you just hover your mouse over it, you can click on Edit. Now, you might see a bunch of gibberish that looks like this, or you might see something like this. I want you to make sure you're working in this tab, the text tab, for this. The visual tab it's not totally accurate, but WordPress is trying to give you a basic idea of what this page will look like visually on the website, whereas the text tab is kind of like the coded version, like all the formatting of what's on your web page. So we're going to work, don't worry about it. It might be intimidating, but I'm just going to walk you through all these things. So anyway, that's step one. Get to your website, go to your newsletter page to edit it, and then make sure you are in this text tab. Then you're going to log into your Constant Contact account, and I recommend a different tab to make it simpler. And you're going to be taken to this page, I believe, right when you log in. So just make sure you get there. You can leave that as it is. Okay, now you're going to copy and paste the code from a previous newsletter link that I created. And you're just going to copy it, and you're going to let me know if you don't know how to copy something, and I'll tell you. But you're going to select the entire line right here, okay? Under this line of code right here, this is saying that you've got a heading 2 style, which is just to make this big. This is called an opening tag. See these little brackets here? And then the closing tag is here. It's got the brackets, but with the little slash there. And whatever goes between these opening and closing brackets is what this stuff is formatting. So kind of like what's below, an A tag is, or an A bracket, sorry, is for hyperlinks. So these are like styles for the hyperlink that we're putting inside of this opening bracket. And here's the text that goes inside of that link. And then here's the closing bracket for that link right here. So, and then here, this isn't linked, but it's kind of included on your web page. So see how that translates into what's seen on your website. You've got this link, it's styled as a blue link, and here's this little tag inside this is actually what it's linking to. So that's what we're going to need to change, and I'll show you. You don't need to worry about what the rest of this stuff means, but I hope that makes sense so far. Okay, so now we're gonna create a new link using a previous example. So you're gonna come in here and select this entire line and copy, edit, copy, and you're just gonna hit return or enter and create a new line because we want it to go right above that link. And then you're going to paste what you just copied. Paste. But we need to update what's in here because you obviously don't want two of the same links on your website. So the first thing you're going to do, Dad, you're going to change where it says the month. You're going to make that August or whatever month it is. And then you're going to update the title to be the title of your most recent newsletter. Okay, now you can go back into Constant Contact and see what the title was if you don't remember. And you can just click on it. So art takes many forms. You can either copy and paste this in here, or you can just type it out. It's up to you. I always copy and paste. Okay, so now we need to make sure that the link is different. So back in Constant Contact, I'm going to X out of this. You will see this little link icon right here, Dad. It's a hyperlink icon, which is what we need. So you just click on that, and it will give you that link. So you need to select it, make sure the whole thing is highlighted, copy. You can do edit, copy on your computer, and then you're going to go back into your web page and you're going to paste it between these quotation marks. So you're going to select the old one, you can delete it, and then you can paste. I do command, I do a shortcut, but you can do edit, paste, or I'll redo. Just make sure it's between the quotation marks right there. So edit, paste. Then the last step is to update your page. So page updated, if I click on view page, you'll see that it's August 2017. That's what we changed in the text. We changed the title right there. And now the hyperlink, when you click on it, will take you to that newsletter. Boom.